Top 25 Python-based project ideas. Project 1. Web scraping for data analysis. Create a Python script to scrape data from websites and perform analysis on collected data, useful for market research or competitive analysis. Project 2. Flask or Django Web. Application. Develop a full-featured web application using Flask or Django framework for a blog, e-commerce site, or a custom content management system. Project 3. Machine learning for predictive modeling. Implement a machine learning model using Python's scikit-learn library to predict outcomes based on historical data, applicable in finance, healthcare, or sports analytics. Project 4. Automated stock trading. Bot. Build a bot that uses Python to analyze stock market data and automatically execute trades based on predefined criteria. Project 5. IoT system with Raspberry Pi. Use Python to program a Raspberry Pi for an IoT project, such as a smart home system, weather station, or automated plant watering system. Project 6. Natural language processing, NLP. Chatbot. Develop an intelligent chatbot that uses NLP techniques to understand and respond to human language, useful for customer service automation. Project 7. Facial recognition system. Implement a facial recognition system using Python libraries like OpenCV or face underscore recognition for security or authentication purposes. Project 8. Cryptocurrency price. Prediction tool. Create a tool that uses time series analysis and machine learning to predict cryptocurrency prices. Project 9. Data visualization dashboard. Build a dashboard using Python libraries like Dash or Plotly to visualize and analyze data in real time, applicable for finance, health data, or environmental monitoring. Project 10. Content-based recommender system. Develop a system that recommends items to users based on item similarity, using Python for data processing and algorithm implementation. Project 11. Automated essay scoring system. Implement a system that uses machine learning to score essays automatically, useful in educational technology. Project 12. Python game development. Create a video game using Pygame, focusing on logic, graphics, and user interaction. Project 13. Sentiment analysis of social media. Analyze the sentiment of social media posts or reviews using Python libraries like NLTK or TextBlob, useful for brand monitoring. Project 14. Deep learning for image classification. Use Python and a deep learning framework like TensorFlow or PyTorch to classify images into categories. Project 15. Blockchain simulation. Implement a basic blockchain in Python to understand the principles of decentralization, consensus mechanisms, and cryptocurrency transactions. Project 16. Voice assistant application. Build a simple voice assistant that can perform tasks like sending emails, playing music, or fetching information online using Python. Project 17. Email automation for marketing. Develop a system that automates the sending of personalized marketing emails based on user behavior using Python. Project 18. Weather forecasting model. Use Python to analyze meteorological data and predict weather conditions using machine learning algorithms. Project 19. Traffic sign. Recognition. Implement a system that recognizes and classifies traffic signs using image processing and machine learning techniques. Project 20. Epidemic outbreak. Prediction. Create a model to predict the outbreak and spread of infectious diseases using historical data and machine learning. Project 21. Real-time object detection system. Build a real-time object detection system using OpenCV, applicable in surveillance, automotive safety, or inventory management. Project 22. Automated resume screening tool. Develop a tool that screens resumes and matches candidates to job descriptions using NLP and machine learning. Project 23. Financial fraud detection system. Implement a system that detects potential fraudulent transactions using machine learning techniques to analyze transaction patterns. Project 24. Smart attendance system. Create an attendance system that uses facial recognition or RFID tags, automating attendance tracking for educational institutions or workplaces. Project 25. AI-driven fitness app. Develop a fitness app that uses AI to personalize workout and nutrition plans based on user data and progress.